Welcome. Sometimes, a single moment can hold a universe of stories. One quiet afternoon, an elderly man named Jorge shuffled past a gleaming luxury car dealership. At 80 years old, his frame was painfully thin, his clothes faded remnants of a life lived hard. His bare, cracked feet spoke of countless miles walked on unforgiving streets, and hunger had etched deep lines onto his face. Yet, within his eyes, a quiet fire still burned. Inside the showroom, a flawless white sports car shimmered, reflecting every ray of sunlight. Jorge paused, his weathered hand gently touching the cool glass. He looked at the car, then at his own reflection, and a soft whisper escaped his lips, a private acknowledgement of dreams and realities. Thank you for watching. If you found this story moving, consider following for more life's quiet reflections.